welcome back to the channel and happy new year. This is the first vlog of the new year and y'all, I am so excited. I'm officially a Stanley girly. I feel like that's so cheesy, but I finally got me a Stanley. And the main reason why I got a Stanley, y'all, is because I am doing a challenge. I am doing what is it? I'm only drinking water for the month of January. So like a water challenge. So I got me a little Stanley to go with it. Let me show y'all real quick, even though I already showed y'all. Here it is. Your girl is officially a Stanley girly. Even though this is not the color I wanted, they were like sold out in all the good colors. And I got it from Target, as y'all saw. Got me this, I think it's a 30 ounce. Perfect for me, y'all. But yeah, I might go back and order the purple. I really want like a purple, like lavender one, but they didn't have it. So if I see it on there, I'm gonna go back and order it. And y'all, guess how much I paid for this Stanley? Your girl only paid $8. And that is because I had some Stanley, Lord, I had some Target rewards cash or whatever. I think I had like $27 worth of like rewards or whatever, or Target earnings, whatever it's called. And I only had to pay $8 out of pocket. I was like, you know what? Let me do something for myself going into the new year, setting goals. Let me go ahead and buy me a little Stanley cup because I've been wanting one for a while, but I just never like, I guess, had the courage, or I don't know, I just never brought one, but now I have one. Anywho, today is a Wednesday. No, today's Thursday, the 4th. Ari just went back to school today. She's been sick for the past couple of days. Imagine being home all break with your kids, right? And them getting sick right before it's time to go back to school. So yeah, we've been dealing with that. They had like a little stomach virus going on. Her and AJ, they've been like throwing up and just not feeling good, fevers and all that, little stomach bug. But she is feeling much better. AJ's still a little he's still a little sick, or I don't know. From my last vlog, oh my god, if you missed my last vlog, he was getting sick. He's still sick from that. It's just a stomach bug though, or like a little stomach virus. He has problems with his bowel movement, so like this happens, you know, frequently, but like it was a little different this time because like he had a fever. He never used to have fevers with like his bowel moves, but now he has a fever, or had a fever for a couple of days, but he's doing okay. Keep my boy in prayers. He's doing okay. Hey, Ava girl. The kids just woke up from their nap, so right now they're eating a little snacky snack, watching some TV. We're about to get Ari from school in a little bit. I think it's what, 3 o'clock now? We're going on 3 o'clock, so I'm about to get up right now and go get her. And yeah, I don't know what much we got going on this week. I think this weekend we might have some weekend plans, but if we do, I would definitely bring y'all along for that.
Mama?
Yes. Definitely drop down in the comments and let me know how everybody is doing. How was your New Year's? How was your Christmas? How's it going? I miss y'all. I've been in such like a little drought to where like haven't really felt motivated to post on YouTube. I know I was telling y'all this like a while back, but like something is like there's like a cloud over me or something. I'm just not motivated. But I have been motivated on TikTok. If you don't already, definitely follow me on TikTok. Your girl just reached 1,000 followers on TikTok. Whoop, 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 whoop. TikTok has been my friend lately, y'all. When I tell you I post on there every single day, I post every single day. So definitely follow me on TikTok to keep up with like day-to-day, you know, life with me over there on TikTok. But anywho, let me get up and get ready to go get Miss Ari from school. I just want to hop on here real quick and just say hello, happy new year, wish everybody well, warm thoughts and hugs and prayers and all that. Please do the same for me. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me that 2024 is going to be the year of change, the year of blessings, the year, just let it be the year. I'll catch you on a little bit, y'all. Ava, come on.
Mama.
Here. Okay, come on, we're gonna get it. Let me get your vitamins in a second. Let me go. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It is the next day. We are at the Walmart right now. I need to get like a few household snacks, not really groceries. I don't get my groceries from here, but I get like snacks, like the little, I guess, what is it called, perishables or non-perishables, you know, like oatmeal, cereal, stuff like that, snacks or whatever. We do need to go grocery shopping though, so we might go to the Publix. We normally go grocery shopping at Publix or Wegmans. Those are the two stores we go grocery shopping at. But like I said, we're at Walmart this morning just getting our little snacks or whatever, because yeah, Walmart's cheaper than, you know, Publix or whatever when it comes to the little snacks or whatever. My 2-year-old back there is giving me the blues this morning. He's just being a toddler. I don't know what it is. I was just thinking to myself, like, he is totally different from when Ari was his age. When Ari was his age, it was like totally different. She was like, what's the word? What I want to say? How do I want to say this without saying this? She was, I don't know. She wasn't like him. Okay. He is just doing so much. Like, I feel like the terrible twos kicked in real late. He's about to turn 3. His birthday's coming up in like 2 weeks. So we need to like get this whole, what am I trying to say? We need to get it together. We just need to get it together. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong, AJ? Nothing? Are you okay? Huh? Okay, we're about to go into this Walmart, okay? I need you to be a good listener. You understand? We're gonna sit in the shopping cart. Okay, we're gonna get some snacks. What do you want to get? We need some oatmeal. We need some chocolate milk. We need some goldfish. Okay, we gotta pick out all the snacks we need, okay? You gotta show me, okay? Are you ready? Ready. Ava, are you ready? Take a sip of my water. Real cold, y'all. Oh my God, it is so funny. My husband was like, I don't understand what's the hype about that cup. Why are you so pressed for that cup? And I was like, look, this cup is saving us money. I'm doing this whole water thing where I'm not drinking nothing but water for the month of January. I was like, you should be happy that I'm not going to Starbucks every morning and spending $20. Y'all, I tell you, I go to Starbucks, I used to go to Starbucks like every morning, Monday through Friday. Right after I dropped RF at school, we was in that Starbucks line getting us a Starbucks drink. And I would get 2 drinks sometimes. And I would get a croissant. I would get what 2 croissants, 1 for Ava, 1 for Chunky. I would get 2 drinks. Sometimes I would get 3 drinks, a drink for my husband, 2 drinks for myself. Like, that stuff adds up. Can you imagine? I can't even do the math in my head to see how much I spent on a week on Starbucks. I just know it was a lot because it was at least between $13 and $20 every day I would go. So I was like, we're saving some coins, honey, with this cup right here, because I am not going to Starbucks for the whole month of January. There will be no Starbucks. There will be no caramel ribbon crunch. Yes. Yes. We're going into the Walmart. There will be no caramel ribbon crunch. If my husband wants some coffee, I'm about to buy him some coffee right now from the Walmart. Get his little creamer, they do have Starbucks creamer. I'm gonna give him his little creamer and all of that. We got Starbucks in the house. We are saving coins all January. I don't know about February, we'll see. But all of January, we are saving coins. I can't even imagine like how much we spent a month on Starbucks. I don't know, but here's the cheap way out. Got me this cup, fill it up with some water. And we are good to go.
Mama.
I was like, babe, you're worried about the wrong things in life if you're worried about me and this cup, because this cup is saving us some coins. But let's go into this Walmart, y'all. We gotta get home because it is cold out here. Let's go. Brown sugar oatmeal. We are back in the car, y'all. It is so cold outside. It is 34 degrees right now, freezing. My ears are cold. But anywho, we did good at Walmart. We only spent $211. I feel like that is good for the amount of things we got, for the amount of snacks and perishables or non-perishables, whatever it's called. But yeah, we're about to go to Publix real quick just to get some green juice for my hubby. If you guys know, if you guys don't know, my husband still does his little, every now and then he does like a little juice fast where he only drinks green juice and water. So this week he's doing that, so definitely gotta go pick him up some green juice. Per usual, I'm always picking him up green juice, and that stuff is nasty, y'all. It smells bad and it tastes bad. I don't know how he drink that stuff, but it's healthy, he says. So we're gonna go to Publix and get that for him. Yes, Ava. Yes. And then head back to the house. I'm not gonna do my full-blown grocery shopping because I feel like my husband's gonna go to Wegmans and get some groceries, like the meats and stuff. So he'll get whatever else we need to get, like the meats and the produce from Wegmans. If he doesn't, then we'll just go to Publix again, probably tomorrow or so. But I will definitely give y'all a little, what is it? Restock, that's the word. A little snack restock once we get in the house and I get the kids settled. Yes, Ava. Huh? Ready to go? Ready to go? So let's go to Publix, y'all, and get this juice real quick.
Smell of your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you.
We are back, y'all. Here's all the groceries that we got today. I might go live and do like a what is it, a grocery haul live, and maybe put all the food away on live. So I might do that instead of showing y'all. I gotta catch the live to see what we got. It's a little overview, but yeah, let me go ahead and go live real quick, and then I will hop back on here and talk to y'all. All right, y'all, I am back. I just went live. I did that whole little live of me putting away everything. Here's the leftovers of what I gotta do next, which is clean this mess up. If you missed the live, definitely go over and catch the replay. Y'all, why was I on live for like an hour? I think an hour and a half. Because it is 12 o'clock right now. But yeah, it was a good experience. Shout out to everybody who joined my live. Shout out to Miss Melva, Miss Mariah, Miss Mama Vaughn, and everybody else who joined the live. Shout out to y'all. Y'all the real ones for supporting your girl. But yeah, let's go ahead and clean this up real quick. Give the kids their lunch. Lay them down for their nap. And then, yeah, that's about it for right now. Girl, no more crackers. Y'all had enough snacks. All done. All done. I'm gonna make you some noodles or something quick. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that, y'all. Hey y'all, it is a lot later. We picked up Miss Ari from school, and we also picked up some pizza, y'all. This pizza smells so good. We are back at that pizza spot with the drive-through. So we just ran through the drive-through. They just gave us our pizza, so now I'm about to pull off. But yes, I don't know where I left off in the vlog, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah. We have a lot going on in this car right now. I just want a peaceful car ride home. But if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.